Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for a hard money lender. Very quickly, I'll go through the document and I'll show you the financial model. It has an automated table of contents, so as you add content, these page numbers will automatically adjust for you. It starts with the executive summary, outlining the operations of your hard money lending operations. And all of the charts and graphs that you see can be modified specific for the needs of your company, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Chapter 2 is an overview of the financing. Chapter 3 is an overview of your lending operations. Chapter 4 is the industry analysis, which is current through this year, and we update this yearly. Chapter 5 is your marketing plan. Chapter 6 is the personnel overview, headcount and payroll, and again, that can be adjusted too. Chapter 7 is the financial plan, which is done on a 3-year basis and has a profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, break-even analysis and business ratios, and then in year 1 we break down the profit and loss monthly, and it's quarterly for year 2 and quarterly for year 3, and the same with the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for the first year and quarterly in year 2 and quarterly in year 3. Let me just scroll back up real quick. And here's the financial model. Very easy to use. Pretty much everything is done on this one tab for the most part. Right away, you may have noticed this dashboard here. This allows you to see in real time how any changes you're making can impact everything else. So for instance, let's change first month's interest income to $160,000. As you can see, this dashboard updated, and it updated throughout everything else as well. And again, this allows you to see how different scenarios will impact your profit and loss, your cash flow, your balance sheet. You can adjust the expenses here. If you're going to have additional revenue centers, you can put those right here. From there, you put in your salaries and headcount, and out comes your payroll table. Your source of funds goes here. Use of funds goes there. And once you do that, out comes your profit and loss, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, those expanded profit and loss statements you saw at the end of the plan. Same deal with the cash flow analysis, revenue overview, loan amortization table, tax assumptions, break even, and your business ratios. And that's essentially it. Certainly, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach us anytime. We're more than happy to help. And thank you again for taking a look. Take care.